Hey everyone, welcome back to Tea of the Week. Let's take a look at an herbal blend of 6 ingredients designed to improve ovulation, aid in irregular menstrual cycles, and restore hormonal balance. This is organic fertility tea. Ginger's natural anti-inflammatory properties can aid in improving blood circulation and reducing inflammation, which can be beneficial for stimulating ovulation. For women experiencing irregular menstrual cycles, ginger can help regulate periods due to its ability to influence the hormones that control the menstrual cycle. This effect is thought to stem from ginger's potential to manage the levels of hormones like estrogen and progesterone. Organic cinnamon can help regulate menstrual cycles and enhance ovulation due to its impact on insulin resistance, a common factor in hormonal imbalances that affect the menstrual cycle. By improving insulin sensitivity, cinnamon can aid in regulating blood sugar levels, which is crucial for the proper hormonal balance necessary for irregular menstrual cycles and ovulation. The presence of cinnamaldehyde, the active compound in cinnamon, has been studied for its potential to balance hormone levels, thereby aiding women with polycystic ovary syndrome and other hormonal imbalances. Known scientifically as Asparagus racemosus, shatavari is often called the queen of herbs due to its ability to support the female reproductive system. Its phytoestrogenic properties can help regulate and stabilize hormonal imbalances, thereby promoting healthier menstrual cycles and aiding in the regulation of ovulation. Additionally, shatabari's natural anti-inflammatory properties can soothe the reproductive organs, potentially enhancing fertility and alleviating symptoms associated with conditions like PCOS. Organic black cohosh contains several compounds thought to have phytoestrogenic properties, which can help regulate hormonal levels and alleviate hormonal imbalances. This regulatory effect can contribute to more regular menstrual cycles and improved conditions for ovulation. This herb is also known for its anti-inflammatory and antispasmodic properties, which can help relieve menstrual cramps and other discomforts associated with the menstrual cycle. Additionally, black cohosh has been used to reduce symptoms of premenstrual syndrome and to manage menopausal symptoms such as hot flashes and mood swings. The stress-reducing properties of ashwagandha are crucial, as stress is a common factor that can disrupt hormone levels and menstrual regularity. By mitigating stress and enhancing endocrine function, ashwagandha can help correct hormonal imbalances that often contribute to conditions like irregular periods and ovulatory issues. Furthermore, its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties support overall reproductive health and may improve vitality and energy levels, which are essential for reproductive health. Organic red clover is rich in isoflavones, a type of phytoestrogen. Red clover can mimic estrogen in the body, making it particularly beneficial for balancing hormone levels. This property is especially useful for promoting hormonal balance in women with irregular menstrual cycles or hormonal imbalances. The phytoestrogens in red clover can help regulate menstruation and facilitate an environment conducive to ovulation. Additionally, red clover has been noted for its cardiovascular benefits, which is significant as hormonal changes can sometimes impact heart health. If you want to get a little fancy with this blend, we've got a delicious recipe for you to try. This is how to make our spiced fertility tea latte. Start by steeping a couple teaspoons of organic fertility tea leaves for about 7 minutes. While the tea is steeping, steam 4 ounces of almond milk and froth in some honey and cinnamon powder. Then mix the tea and milk together, top with some additional cinnamon powder, and enjoy. Thank you for tuning in to this week's Tea of the Week and exploring the components and benefits of organic fertility tea. Until next time, stay curious and sip on.